Hello, everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Mauritania? The average annual gross salary is $1,350, or roughly $113 each month. After tax, the average annual net salary is $1,256, or about $105 monthly. In Nouakchott, the average annual gross salary is higher at $1,688, or roughly $141 per month. The net salary there is $1,570, or about $131 monthly. This difference can come from higher city costs, more employers, and stronger demand. Experience, cleaning skills, and night shifts may also raise pay. Hotel, office, and industrial cleaning jobs can have different rates. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.